Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Prajwal Desai and these are the headlines. Hot mixing of Boream Bridge is being done now, was done last year. Better options would be the new parallel bridge, says Punch. Audacious extortion attempt in Kalangut ends in 2 injured. Arrest of accused. Goa will get thunderstorms accompanied by lightning on 6th, 7th and 8th. Heavy rain also expected in isolated areas. Now the news in detail. An alleged extortion went wrong, resulting in one of the accused himself getting injured. However, a security guard at one of the shops where the attempt took place was also injured as the assailants used swords and rods. The assault was carried out by 4 people on Tuesday at 9:40 p.m. in the open with crowds all over.
The police have arrested all 4 were history shooters and many criminal cases registered against them. Kalangut police said 30-year-old Sapnil Redkar, working as a private security guard, was assaulted by Tarzan Parsekar, Surya Kamli, Imran Bepari and Suraj Shetty. They sprayed pepper spray into the complainant's eye and then assaulted him on his right leg, thick and right ankle with a chopper. Tarzan was allegedly carrying a sword. He is from Nagwa. Surya Kamli from Talegaon, Imran Bepari from Santa Cruz and Suraj Shetty from Mercies were traced at pen name in the wee hours and arrested by special police team of Kalangut police station. SP North Sobes Saxena gave details.
Last night, one incident had come to the notice of Kalangut police that there were some criminal elements who had come to Kalangut Tito and there was some disturbance going on. Kalangut police station immediately responded to that disturbance, and on the spot the staff of Kalangut police station led by PI Rapos, they apprehended one criminal by the name of Tarzan Parsekar, who is from Nagwa. Later on it was learned that there were 3 other criminals who had come here for creating this disturbance. Immediately a team under PI Rapos was dispatched to Perdem police station area where it was found that their location could be. In late night operation, the staff apprehended all 3 criminal persons who were involved and wanted in that case. An FIR is registered under 326 IPC and also under Arms Act. Further investigation and recovery of weapons is ongoing and we will take strict action. There is zero tolerance to these kind of criminal elements who are disturbing peace. It is understood that they have other cases also and we will take strict legal action against all of them. It is not correct to call it gang war. These are criminal elements who had come here and got into some sort of a fight, and we are investigating very objectively. It is too early to say about deeper investigation. Only deeper investigation will reveal other aspects, but it is not gang war.
Rapes, murders, thefts, house breaks, such repeated crimes are happening in the state. Such incident has brought bad name to Kalangut constituency. However, SP says there is strict provision in law to deal with repeated offenders. However, in ground reality it does not seem to deter criminals, possibly because many have political patronage.
He is currently out on bail and he is involved in some heinous offences. He is a repeat offender. There are strict provisions in law for dealing with repeat offenders. It would not be right for me to disclose what we are going to do, but we have made up our minds. We have consulted PP and the PI, and we are going to take action so that such things are not tolerated ever again.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Kalangut.
Looks like road or bridge construction quality cannot be guaranteed. The hot mixing of Boream Bridge is being done to welcome the President and Home Minister, alleged Boream former Sarpanch and present Panch Sunil Saukar. He said that there is no guarantee on how long the star will last and a better option would be new parallel bridge.
The traffic load on the Boream Bridge has increased as the existing Zuari Bridge at Kotalim is closed for heavy traffic and work of new Zuari Bridge is in progress. Now, the work of removing old tar carpet to lay a new one is undergoing for the last few days now. However, the existing carpet was laid a year back, but iron rods are visible from the slab. Now work to cover this road with a new carpet is under progress.
लास्ट कितले वर्सां तुम्ही बोळा मारता की हाजे दामर घाल नाका म्हणून कॉन्क्रीट घाल म्हणून हे कितले दीस उरतलें?
हे म्हाका दिसता एक अमित शाह आनी हो आमचो राष्ट्रपती येवपा आसा तो येवन असो सर उरल्यार पुरो. कारण हे सरकारी नॅशनल हायवेची कामां असली जाल्यार ही आतां की ताची गॅरंटी ते सोड ते जेई न्ही तांगेले कोणूच तांची गॅरंटी दिवंक शकना. आमचो तो तांचे वेळार विश्वासूच गेला सांगपा म्हणल्यार. हे फक्त लोकांचो टॅक्सा पयसो आसा तो फक्त ताचो सुराडो करपाचो ताजो उपाय आनी काय. पूण सकाळीं म्हजे कडेन जेई अमजद लश्करवाले हाजे कडेन उलोवणें जालें की तो म्हणटा मात सुद्दां जर उदक उरलें भितर तो कार्पेट म्हणटा कुरकुरीत जाता आनी इबाडटा अशें म्हणून. पूण आतां सद्या अजून पावस चालू आसा बोरये. काल सुद्दां भरपूर पावस पडला आनी ह्या दिसा परतीचो पावस जावपा आसा. तांचे म्हणणे प्रमाणे 19 तारखेक राष्ट्रपती गोंया येवपा आसा आनी राष्ट्रपतीक लागून हे सगळें कितें चल्लां तें म्हणजे ताजे दोळ्यांत उदक दाखोवपा लागून हें चल्लां सगळें. हातूंत भोंवणाक लोकांचो जो हाजो पयसो आसा टॅक्स रुपान वता तो पयसो सगळो चक्काचूर जाता हांगा पयशांचो. कोणाक पडून गेलो ना. हे बोरये पुला बद्दल आनी रस्त्या बद्दल आमी कितलेशे फावटी बोरी पंचायतीन आवाज उठयलो. आमचो पयलीं पसून एक मागणी आसा हांगा बोरये हो दक्षिण गोंयाक फोंडेच्यान जोडपी एकच मार्ग आनी हो पूल सामको इम्पॉर्टंट. हो पुलाक तात्पुरती वेवस्था म्हणजे दुसरो आनी एक पर्यायी पूल जावचो अशी आमची मागणी आसा. हो पूल रिपेर करून बरे भशेन वापरचो. शेवटेन तो आंगडीच्यान पूल जाता अशें म्हणून आयकलां पूण तो थंयच्यान वचपाक मडगांव खूब पयस पडटलें. हे पुलाची नितांत गरज आसा आनी हे पुलाक जर अशें कितें जालें जाल्यार दक्षिण गोंयचो आमचो सगळो लिंक तुटतलो.
आज PWD बोरये पुलाचे जे AC कार्पेट आसलें ते काडपा खातीर काडटात आनी हाजेर आतां अशें म्हणटा की ताजेर परत आतां DC कार्पेट घालतले म्हणून. जे पयलीं फोंड पडलेले ते फोंड तशेंच आसा ते कॉन्क्रीट घालून पुरयतले अशें जे सोर्स आहा तांचे ते सांगतात. आनी ह्या पुलाचेर अशी गर्दी जाता की जी ट्राफीक जी उरता ती अर्द ट्राफीक जाम जावन उरता. अशें म्हणटात की हे 4-5 दिसां भितर हो जो पुलाचो जो कार्पेट आसा ते कार्पेट घालून जातलें अशें आतांच आमी इंजिनियर उलयताले. इंजिनियर सांगताले की जातलें म्हणून बेगीन. पळोवया हो पूल जो आसा जे कार्पेट घातलें वत पडटा वताचेर ते सारकें हें जावन वता. पळोवया आतां हाजे पूण कितले दीस तें कार्पेट उरतलें हे पळोवपाची गरज आसा. गोवा दिसपा रिपोर्टर कृष्णा नायक बोरयेच्यान.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Chief Minister should fill up all potholes as he promised or else give painkiller balms to the people. Former Sarpanch Praveen Blagan from Chief Minister's Sakri constituency said, attacking him on his assurance to fill up all the potholes by 1st November.
Almost all roads in Goa are filled with potholes. A smooth and pothole-free road is a rare occurrence. The Sakli bridge is dominated with huge potholes. Former Sarpanch targeted Chief Minister on the issue and told him to make his promise into reality.
ही सीएमाची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी म्हणपाक आमकां लज दिसता. हांव म्हणटा की इंग्लिशीन म्हण आहा अ स्टिचिंग टायम सेव्स 9. हे सरकारान पयलीं पावस पडच्या पयलीं जे रस्ते पाड जाल्या तेजे डागडुजी करपाची गरज आसली ती तेंच्यांनी करूंक ना. आमचो सीएम ह्या वाठारांत सदांच हांगासून पणजी वयता डिफरंट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन डिफरंट एरियान भोंवता. तेणें लक्ष घालचें आनी ह्या आमच्या जे हांगासरले रहिवासी आसा तांकां मातशी राहत दिवची आनी नाजाल्यार तेणेन मूव किंवा बॉयलींनी हेजी वेवस्था करची. आयज सगळ्यांचे कंबरडे मोडलेले आहात. टू व्हिलर्स तर अक्षरशः हाल जाल्ले आसा आनी एक्सिडेंटाक हो वाव आसा.
A huge pothole can be seen at traffic signal on Cross Road near Sakli Primary Health Center. However, PWD is yet to fill this pothole. Engineers should prove themselves by filling up this pothole after Chief Minister's announcement before 1st November, Praveen said.
साखळे वाठारांत पळयता की रस्ता कितके खड्डे पडलेले आसा. खंयचो खड्डो चुकोवचो आनी खंयचो ना ही मोठी समस्या आमचे फुडें आसा. एक्सिडेंटाक आमी वाव दिता ह्या खड्ड्या मुळे. साखळे आमच्या हॉस्पिटला फुडल्यान स्पीड हे घातल्या, डिवायडर्स घातल्या आणि एक खड्डो जर थंय आसा तो कितकेशेच म्हयने जाले आसा थंयसर. ट्रॅफिक जॅम जाता, थंय बस स्टॉपूय आसा आनी सरकाराचें हेजेर कांयच लक्ष ना. आमच्या सीएमान सांगलां की 1 नोव्हेंबर पर्यंत आमी ह्या रस्त्यांची डागडुजी करतले, एक पॉट होल दिसपाचो ना. हे तेंचे वक्तव्याचें हांव स्वागत करता आनी सरकाराक एक विनंती करता की तेंच्यांनी बेगिना बेगीन आख्खे गोंयभर जे हे आसा खड्डे पडल्या रस्त्यार ते बुजोवचे.
महेश गोयकर for Guwahati 365 from Sankli.
The NSUI met with Governor Sridharan Pillai today to complain about what they called illegal practices by Goa University. They complained that a research scholar, Dikanksh Pamar, was wrongly terminated from the university. They also alleged that a professor from the zoology department has stolen authorship rights from Dikanksh on 5 papers and a book written by him. Here's more.
The NSUI today approached the governor after a research scholar from Gujarat was terminated from the university. They claim that an assistant professor, Nitin Sawant, gave the authorship rights of 5 papers and a book written by Dikanksh to his wife, and after Dikanksh objected, he was terminated. A one-member committee was then formed to rectify the issue, wherein NSUI claims that biased investigation has been conducted since the committee member was from the university itself. NSUI now demands an unbiased 3-member committee investigation into the matter. Listen.
He is a research scholar working under a project in Department of Zoology in Goa University. He was appointed in January 2020, and he has removed 5 papers, research papers, and 1 book he has written in a year. That is the level of academics of his. And एका तेंच्यानी terminate केला. On which ground? The papers which he was written, ताजे authorship right, Department of Zoology जो assistant professor नितीन सावंतान ताजो right ताजे बायलेक दिला. Senior authorship is given to the wife of assistant professor नितीन सावंत. तो जेन्ना हेणे ऑब्जेक्ट केले की आपलो आयडिया इंटलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी आपली आनी ताका तूं कसो ऑथरशीप दिवंक शकता, ताका तेणें टर्मिनेट केलो. एंड वी हॅव डिस्कस दीस मॅटर विथ द गव्हर्नर आनी हेणें तेंच्यांनी लेटर सुद्दां बरयल्लो वायस चान्सेलराक, रेजिस्ट्राराक. देन वायस चान्सेलर हॅड फॉर्म अ 1-member committee and 1-member committee within the university, and they have done the biased investigation. How can a 1-member committee be within the university? Because within the university जो प्रोफेसर आहा तो आपले फॅकल्टी मेंबराकूच सपोर्ट करतलो, आपले जे बाकीचे प्रोफेसर आहा ऑफ अदर डिपार्टमेंट ताकाच सपोर्ट करतलो. सो आमच्यांनी मागला फ्रॉम द गव्हर्नर की तूं एक 3-member committee, 3 members committee, impartial 3 members committee तूं कॉन्स्टिट्यूट कर आणि इन्व्हेस्टिगेट कर. बिकॉज ही इज एन स्टुडंट फ्रॉम गुजरात. ही इज डुईंग रिसर्च इन गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी and he has written 5 papers and 1 book. So he is an example for other students. आता गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीचा रँक पळयात तुम्ही 96 जाला. So if you terminate a student of such level, what message you are giving around India and around world?
William Rodrigues for Goa 365 from Panjim.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for the weather. Goa can expect to see thunderstorms accompanied with lightning on 6th, 7th and 8th at a few places. Heavy rainfall is expected at isolated areas. Most places will, however, receive light to moderate rainfall till the 10th. There will be light fog and haze in the early morning hours of isolated places on the 7th.
Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 32 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius respectively. There are no weather warnings for the 9th and 10th of October. Squally weather with wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour is likely to prevail over the Arabian Sea, and as such, fishermen are advised to not venture out to sea during the period. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Goa 365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhone, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe and keep watching Gaw 365.